Wood is good. From the stately maple tree comes something even better than bird's eye. In the spring, sap runs in the tree. And that sap has a fairly high sugar content. So when you boil it down, about a 40-to-1 ratio, you get something called maple syrup. Now this is a local producer, and his syrup is extremely dark, very, very rich in taste. That's the reason why we have it. And we now carry it in both the 500 mil for the big family and 250 mil for the small family. But we're also introducing maple butter. So if you take the sap and you continue to boil it carefully and take more water out, you get a cream. And this is incredible. Now sometimes it'll separate, so you just have to take a stick of maple, of course, and stir it up. It's extremely smooth and creamy. You can put it on toast, you can put it on anything. We prefer to take it right off of the stick, preferably bird's eye. And this stuff is delicious.